Planning your meals can be a challenge. SimpleMind can help. In this mind map, I've added some dishes. Expand the topic to see the ingredients and how to make it. And SimpleMind can easily make a shopping list. Let's show you how it works. So these are all the recipes, and you can add as many as you want. You can look at the images and decide what you want to eat. Or you can search for some tags, such as vegetarian. So if I want to eat this dish, I'll expand the topic and uncheck the ingredients I don't yet have. I'm using the topic toolbar now, but you can also use a shortcut. Let's add this dish as well. And I'll uncheck everything. Now when I go shopping, I'll open the outline and use the filter Unchecked Topics Only. While shopping, I can just check everything. If you prefer a little list, you can just export or print this as an outline. Make sure to select Unchecked checkboxes only. And there's the list. And when printing, it will look exactly like this. Once the shopping is complete, check all the checkboxes again. When cooking, expand this topic and you'll find all the steps here. That's it, all your recipes in one mind map and an easy way to make a shopping list. Building this does take some time, so let's dive in. First, start with a new mind map and add a central theme. I like the horizontal layout, but you can choose whatever you like. I'll show some different examples at the end of the video. Copy and paste from wherever the recipe is. I'm using ChatGPT for now because of copyright. So I'll just copy this list, paste text as list, and voila. Long press to select all topics and use the topic toolbar to add the checked checkbox. Now, as for how to prepare the recipe, copy the whole text and paste it as a note. Optionally, clean up the text a little bit. You may want to add labels to this topic to help you decide what you want to choose. Could be cooking time, calories, protein, salt, whatever works for you. In the note, you can add words as tags, for example, fish, party, and that way you can search inside the mind map and find recipes that match. Let's add an image. You can drag and drop an image from the web onto the topic or use your own photo and select Add Image in Topic. You can resize the image and crop it to shape. Select the Style Inspector and select the shape you like. And you're done with your first recipe. Make it your own. Choose the layout you prefer, choose a style you like. We hope this helps you plan your meals. I've added the links to the help in the description below. And make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified when a new video is released.